Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by inspecting the dreads closely. Determine if they are synthetic or human hair and which attachment was used. Once done, assemble your tools, crochet needle, small latch hook, clarifying shampoo and conditioner, and clips to section. Make sure to trim only the damaged fiber ends. This reduces bulk and prevents further tangling. Next, divide the hair into manageable 1-inch sections and clip away everything else, so you can focus on the first problem area immediately. You now rebuild the dreads core using targeted, patient movements. First, loosen the root with the crochet needle at a shallow angle. Pull tiny loops through rather than large tufts to avoid breakage. Then, use the latch hook to feed loose strands into the center, rotating and compressing the core with each pass. This reknits the structure. Make sure to soften very dry fibers with a light conditioner or detangler, and work in controlled 10 to 15-minute bursts to keep tension even and safe. You finish by compressing the reformed dread with firm palm rolls. Do this for 1 to 2 minutes and secure with a small band if the core still feels loose. Once set, clarify the roots after 24 to 48 hours and ensure the extension dries completely to prevent mildew or odor. If the dread starts to unravel again, make sure you repeat micro-crochet repairs only on small sections. Otherwise, seek a professional to reattach or replace damaged extensions so you avoid chronic weakening.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.